what's up you guys? I got my Oko back with another video. So this video is gonna be kind of like a vlog type, routine type video. So this weekend I am taking the whole weekend to just zhuzh myself up. You know, y'all know that I've been in kind of like a funk, so I decided to have a whole weekend of just self-care, just taking care of myself. I'm just very excited for this weekend. Today is Friday, and so it's just gonna be a whole weekend of beautifying myself because, you know, this is not working right now, you know? This is like an old wash and go. It's time for me to put my hair in braids. I am honestly tired of my hair at this point. I'm going to get my eyebrows done, lashes, you know, and nails. At the end of the weekend, I just want to feel like a bad bee. That's all I have to say. So let's see how this goes. So before I start all of that, I wanted to talk to you about a brand called Dossier. They kindly gifted me 2 perfumes. So normally for me, I honestly don't know a lot about big name perfume. I've never been a huge perfume person. I don't know anything about perfume. I'm just like, as long as I smell nice, I smell nice. But something that this company does that's really cool is they take these big name perfumes and basically create cheaper versions of them. Let's say it like that. So they would take maybe like a Marc Jacobs perfume that everyone has heard about and then create basically the same thing, but then they mark the prices down because they don't have, you know, the big name of like Chanel. And the price is way cheaper, but they still use very good ingredients that are safe and sustainable and vegan, and they are very transparent about every single thing that goes into their perfumes. I got 2 scents. This one is called Floriental Vanilla, and it is made after YSL's Black Opium. It smells really, really good, and I can't wait to use this once I'm all dressed up and I'm looking cute. You know what I'm trying to say? So that's the first one. The second one that I got is called Oriental Oak Musk, and this one is made after Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. So I'm very excited to use these. I'm very grateful for them sending it to me. And yeah, check them out. They're a really cool company. I do have a discount code in the description box as well as a link that you can go to the website and buy if you like to check them out. So yeah. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is wash my hair because I have to get it ready for braiding tomorrow, which is something that is so weird about this country. Like, most hairstylists expect you to wash and blow dry it before you even come to their place, which I guess it's fine. But I'm gonna start washing my hair and then blow dry it tonight. I know it's really late, but this is gonna get done tonight. This is my first self-care thing, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go to bed because it's literally 1:15 a.m. and I need to go to bed because I need to wake up early tomorrow to get to my hair appointment. It's at 10. I have some things I need to do before that, so I need to get to bed. But to do that, I'm just gonna put my hair into twists just to preserve the way it is. All right, you guys, I'm about to head out to go to my braiding today. I just packed my hair back. Also, my hair looks so good, you guys. I'm very excited about how my hair is growing. I can't wait for it to just keep growing. I also need to get a trim if I'm being honest. But I packed myself a bag. I have my computer in here. Hopefully she allows me to do some work while I'm braiding, because you guys know braiding takes a whole day. Probably gonna take 3 to 5 hours depending. So yeah, I packed myself a bag. I packed myself some lunch, some water, because I know I'm gonna be there for a while. So yeah, let's head out to go get my hair braided. Very excited because I need to walk into the city first before, and then I'll not take it over to the place. So let's go do that. Okay, you guys, just got back home, done with my hair, and honestly, I'm not sure what I think. So I'm a very basic girl when it comes to braids. When it comes to braids, I just do my black braids. But to this time, I was like, I wanted to do something new, something different. So I did like an ombre color, but I'm not sure. When I think about it, it's like whenever I have new braids, I'm not usually sure, but after like a week or so, I'm like, oh, this looks so good. So this is what they look like. She did a really, really good job for sure. They're very neat. Let me know what you guys think. I like it, but you know when you're like scared because something is not you, like this is very different from what you do. So that's kind of how I am right now. So these are knotless braids. This is my first time getting knotless braids. So knotless braids basically mean like they don't have the knots at the end. So like they start with your actual hair before they start adding in extension hair. So it's like a feed-in braid that's not feed-in, if that makes sense. But then look at how much gel she put. I really hope this like melts in and like isn't white like this forever, because that's a problem. But yeah, that's the hair for today. It's braids. Also, I like these because like they don't have any tension at the root, so it's not super painful. Yeah, so that's my new hair. All right, good morning, you guys. So it is Sunday and I'm about to head out to get my nails done. You guys, my nails are literally a mess. So this is the next step of my self-care weekend, and I'm actually late for my appointment, so I'm gonna head out right now and get these babies done. Alright, you guys, I just got back home after my eyelash extension appointment. You guys, okay, I love these. Do you actually see how these things have literally changed my whole face? Oh my gosh, you guys. This is my first time ever trying this. I've never done eyelash extensions before, so I was like, let me try new things during the self-care weekend, you know? And I was like, eyelash extensions, I've never even really thought about it. But you guys, I feel like I'm going to keep doing these. Like, oh my gosh, I am so impressed. And she was so good. It took a while though, but I am so impressed by them. Like, they just literally opened up my eyes. This looks so good. Also, yes, I have my nails done. So unfortunately, this self-care weekend is gonna turn into a self-care few days because I still need to get my eyebrows done, and I can't get them done today because this place that I go to is not open on Sundays, unfortunately. I wasn't aware of this. So I'll probably go on Tuesday, then I'll end this vlog, you know, do my makeup, make myself look cute, take my photos, and show you guys the final look of my whole self-care weekend slash few days journey. So that's basically the plan. I also got a pedicure and I got white on my toenails. I literally only get white on my toenails. So yeah, that's what my toes look like too. Alright, so I'm about to go get my eyebrows done. That's the next step. Once I get my eyebrows done, then I'm almost done. Alright, this is after I just got my eyebrows threaded. I usually just go to my local threading store to get it threaded. So yeah, I honestly feel like people who thread or like do eyebrows are like magicians. Like, my eyebrows can look so bushy and like horrible, and then I just go get my eyebrows threaded and all of a sudden they're just perfect. It blows my mind because you know, you don't see it as they're doing it, right? So until like they're done, they're just like, how the heck did you do this? Alright, you guys, it's time for some skincare. I'm gonna take a bath, just, you know, some time to actually relax and, you know, self-care. Y'all know what I mean? So I'm gonna put my hair in my bonnet. First things first, have to put this away so that no water gets on it. Also, it's just more comfortable, you guys. I'm honestly gonna be doing the usual thing that I usually do. I think I talked about it a little in my last video. I use these two products from a brand called Pavonia exfoliator, and then their charcoal mask. This is not sponsored or anything. I just use it. Actually, last time I went to get a facial, the esthetician, she introduced me to this brand and she recommended these, and so that's what I've been using. I'm gonna start with the exfoliator. I'm gonna wet my face a little bit and use the exfoliator. You guys, these eyelashes look fire. That's all I have to say. Now I'm gonna dry my face. I usually use like little tissues to clean my face. I know it's probably not super sustainable. I know. I just don't like using towels on my face. Yeah, that's just what I do. I just use little tissues. And like I said before, I'm a hairy person. I get little like mustache hairs a little bit. So what I actually do to get rid of those, I usually, okay. Things are falling. Yeah, people do different things. People thread them, but y'all, when I threaded my mustache the one time, I felt like I was gonna die. I cannot explain the pain I went through in that situation. So never doing that again. So what I do to get rid of them, I microblade. Basically, all you just do is carefully microblade. It's actually super easy. I just grab it and I just very carefully, so you don't like injure yourself. I've actually never injured myself before. I've never hurt myself. You just, let me show you. and they just fall. Very, very useful. So I usually do this anytime I basically usually maybe like once in a month, once in 3 weeks when I see them really like come out. Right now it's not that bad, but I just want to show you guys what I do to get rid of them. And you can also do this all over your face as well if you get like hairs on your cheeks, but I really don't get hairs on my cheeks and like that, and I actually kind of like my sideburns. So yeah, apparently it actually helps to like your makeup to stay on your face better. So yeah, that's how I get rid of that. Now I am going to put on my charcoal mask. Done with everything, eyebrows, lashes, nails, hair, all of that. Now I'm going to finish up this whole makeover or transformation with some makeup and a cute outfit. So let me go beat my face and wear an outfit for you. And voila! My whole transformation is complete. All done with my makeup and my outfit. I am very happy with everything. I'm very happy with how my lashes turned out. And I have grown to love my hair, my new braids. You guys knew that I was skeptical about it at the beginning, but like now I absolutely love them. And yeah, I think they're very complimentary to my skin tone. So yeah, that's the whole outfit, ready for the summer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my whole process, and I hope you guys think that the final product looks good. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Peace and strength.